Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sneha and in today's video we are going to talk about Wow Skin Science Moroccan Argan Oil Hair Care Range products. So there are three products in this range. The first product is Moroccan Argan Hair Oil, and then we have the Moroccan Argan Oil Shampoo and Conditioner. So we are going to talk about these products in detail, about their ingredients and its impact on my hair. But before starting the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. So before I start talking about these products in detail, I would like to tell you guys a little bit about this brand. So Wow is an Indian brand and they are headquartered in Bangalore and they manufacture all of their products locally. And another amazing thing about this brand is all their products are paraben free, sulfate free and free of harmful chemical. That's one of the main reasons why I really enjoy using their products. So the first product is Moroccan Argan Hair Oil. It helps revive thin, dull and unmanageable hair. So this is actually called Moroccan Argan Hair Oil, but it is actually a blend of a lot of different really good oils like extra virgin olive oil, castor oil, grapeseed oil, almond oil and many more. So this is not just one single oil, it is a combination of some amazing oils that are going to do wonders for your hair. So now let's talk about all the goodness of this oil. So as you all know, hair oils are the oldest known conditioner that help fight the weak and damaged hair. Hair oils help stimulate the roots and thus promote new hair growth. Hair oils also have fatty acid which replaces the lipids present in your hair, thus fighting split ends and hair thinning. Regular head massage with warm oil can also stimulate the blood circulation in the scalp. And if you want to avoid split ends, make sure that you apply the oil throughout the hair length and concentrate on the ends because the ends become really dry and thus the hair starts splitting. So the hair oil comes in this packaging and it has a pump here so you can control the amount of product you want to use. So usually at once when I'm oiling my hair, I take about 5 to 6 pumps and I just massage it in my scalp. And then I also concentrate on the ends because I had a lot of split ends but now it is recovering. So the next product we have is of course the Moroccan Argan Oil Shampoo, and again this is an amazing product. I love the packaging and again it has a pump so we can control the amount of product we want to take. So the two major hair problems are hair dryness and hair loss. This product is going to give you strength and hydration to restore good health of your tresses. Its anti-dryness properties comes from Moroccan Argan Hair Oil, which is rich in fatty acid and vitamin E, which gently removes the dryness and restores good health. It also prevents hair loss as it has DHT blockers. So DHT is dihydrotestosterone, which is a hormone which is responsible for hair loss and baldness. So a DHT blocker can help reverse the hair loss. Coming to how to use this product, you can wet your hair with lukewarm water so that it opens the cuticles to remove the dirt, and then take the product on your hand using the pump. I take usually 5 to 6 pumps in for one wash, and then I usually prefer to wash my hair twice. So I apply the shampoo and rub it to create lather and then wash it off, and then again I take 5 to 6 pumps and wash it once again. So the next product is Moroccan Argan Oil Hair Conditioner, and again this has the same contents as the other products, which is the Moroccan Argan Hair Oil, which is rich in fatty acids and vitamin E, which is going to strengthen, hydrate and restore the health of your hair. It helps make your hair stronger, healthier and silkier. Additionally, it also has vitamin E and vitamin B5, which strengthens hair follicles and promotes hair growth. So coming to how to apply this product, once you are done with the shampoo, you have to take some amount of the product on your palm and just rub it through the length of the hair from the top to the bottom. Make sure you don't apply it on the roots unless your scalp is too dry. After applying, you can keep it on for 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse it off thoroughly with water. And that's it, you are done. So I have followed the same hair regime today and this is what my hair looks like right now. So I applied the argan hair oil last night and I kept it overnight, and then in the morning I washed it with this shampoo followed by the conditioner, and this is what my hair looks like right now. I am absolutely loving the results of these products on my hair. Earlier it used to be so frizzy and dry, but after using these products, as you can see, it has become so shiny, lustrous and it just looks healthy. So you can also go ahead and buy these products. Just log into www.buywow.in. Don't worry, I'm going to leave all the links in the description box below so you can check it out. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye.